Best Buy's blog. Today we're taking a look at the DeLonghi Stilosa Espresso and Cappuccino Maker. I'll show you what you'll find inside the box of the DeLonghi Stilosa, starting with the machine itself. As you can see, it's a nice compact size, so it won't take up too much counter real estate. There's a removable drip tray on the bottom, and then the boiler unit where the portafilter will be inserted. On the front is the control panel with the selector dial. As you can see, I've turned it on and it's now ready to be used. You'll see the steam, the off, the on, and then the coffee and hot water function. And then up top is where you will fill your water tank. On the side is the cappuccino maker as well as the dial for the cappuccino maker. And then of course you have your portafilter. You have a 1 and 2 shot filter, a tamper with a measuring spoon, a manual, as well as warranty information, and to register your DeLonghi. Before first use, you're going to want to clean the machine. I've already done that, but I just wanted to show you quickly how easy the instructions are to follow with written and visuals. I've got my portafilter ready with my 2 shot filter in it and my coffee with scoop and tamper ready to go. So I filled the portafilter with my ground coffee and I'm just going to tamper it down for a nice smooth top. Once you've done that, you're going to want to line the notches on the portafilter with the ones on the machine and then lock it into place. One thing to note about this machine is that it does not come with the cups for the espresso or a milk jug for the cappuccino maker. So if you're gonna put a standard size mug into it, you will need to remove the filter from the bottom. Once your ready light is on, it's ready to brew, and it does brew quite quickly. So you'll turn the selector dial over to the coffee and hot water function and brew your cup. And then another thing to note with this machine is that it will not shut off automatically once you've pulled a shot. So you will need to keep an eye on your cup and turn it off manually once you reach your desired coffee. And then if you're having a cappuccino, you are ready to froth your milk. So I'll show you now how to use the cappuccino maker. I've just filled a mug with 2% milk, but you can use whichever milk you prefer. You're gonna turn the selector dial over to the steam function here on the left. And then you need to double check that the ready light is still on, as it does take a minute for the cappuccino maker to heat up as well. So I'm just gonna place my cup right underneath, and then I'm gonna use the dial on the side here to turn on the cappuccino maker. It does froth up quite quickly, so keep a good eye on it. And then once it's looking nice and creamy and frothy, you'll just turn it off on the side again. You might want to have a cloth or paper towel handy, as when you remove the mug, it does drip quite a bit of milk. And then you can just give it a quick wipe down. And then you're now ready to make yourself a cappuccino. So I'm just gonna pour my frothed milk into my espresso. I've got a piece of paper towel underneath here, as I haven't quite mastered the pour yet. And I think I'll need to invest in a proper milk jug. Just give it a pour, and then you can add your foam on top as well. And then if you'd like to add any sweetener of your choice, you can go ahead and do that as well. Now that you have a lovely cappuccino to enjoy, you're just gonna do a quick cleanup, which is easy to do. You're gonna turn the machine to the off position and then remove the portafilter. Your ground coffee can go right into your compost, and then these pieces can be rinsed quickly. The cappuccino maker will come off with a quick clockwise turn, as well as the rubber nozzle. And these pieces can also just be rinsed with warm water as well. Thanks for watching my review of the DeLonghi Stilosa Espresso and Cappuccino Maker. And you can read my full review over at Best Buy's blog. Thank you.